All right, let's rock and roll.
So maybe we'll just start 30,000 foot view. Give me kind of an overview, last 5 years or something like that. What's changed? What hasn't changed
Okay.
in Canter?
Canter has always been at the forefront of sales and marketing, and we had a lot of early adopter technology that was allowing us to create customer demand. And so Canter, late 2019 into 2022, was really capturing a lot of the market from a lead creation perspective, and then did an amazing job of selling in the home. But the piece that we were missing kind of early 2020s was we weren't able to really control the install. And so since late 2022, we've tried to figure out ways to partner with the installers around the world that have already become experts. Canter's been the expert at the lead generation, marketing, selling. How do we become partners with the best installers in the world and merge those two worlds together? Midwest was our first acquisition, and the things that I gravitated towards were a personal connection with the leadership at the company. Second thing, when I met John and understood what made John tick, quickly realized that he's a family guy that respects and understands the importance of building a brand that customers come back to. And they have really deep market penetration in the upper Midwest. So when you take a wonderful customer experience mixed with delightful install, very fast install timing, with a wonderful leader that has really thoughtful energy, it just was a perfect fit.
From my perspective, I want to make sure that Midwest ran as a successful organization. They were able to expand. We had the top technicians, we had the top office staff, and really having a legacy where the company can operate and we're really the recognized name in our area. We really had a concern coming into the organization to say, are they going to change everything that we do? And it was really great to know that they weren't in there to change everything around, right? Sometimes acquisitions can feel like that, and so to keep the umbrella as Midwest was important to us, to keep the legacy of, wow, a company that I've over 20 plus years have grown. That was really important to us as well. So, and we've been able to seamlessly do that. Actually has worked better than I would have expected, right? It's been a better process than I would have expected even.
I like being the smaller company, but at the same time, it's very nice being part of that group where you can pull from that larger pool of experience and expertise and knowledge, all that.
So one of the fantastic things about this opportunity is what is in it for our people here at Midwest. We've been able to have some purchasing power, now better 401k benefits, better health, better medical and dental benefits, and also we've added to our paid days off.
They haven't really tried to force us into anything. It's more of a help us where we need our help and, kind of leave us alone where we don't.
Communication has been incredibly open, and any questions that an employee has had, it has been answered.
Being a small operator like we are, wearing a lot of hats, right? So one day we're wearing the maintenance hat, one day we're wearing the HR hat, one day we're wearing the finance hat, and being able to have a corporation that, hey, we can have access to additional capital, we can have access to great marketing people. We don't need to do that in-house locally here in Minnesota. We have access to, when we have something that's maybe over our head, we have a technical resource that we can reach out to as well. So I say Canter is a generator company, yes, but they're a really great organization that just so happens to install generators.
The journey of the first 6 months with Midwest has been both uneventful good, and the transitions together and the yin and yang of the benefits has worked really, really well. I think about 5 years from now, I think this is the same for an individual installer and a maintenance tech, all the way up through the leaders in the company. I hope everyone would walk away after 6 months, 2 years saying, our lives are better, our benefits are better, our pay is better, and we now have more resources than we've ever had to do the things that we wanted to do the first day.